Question 8 from the worksheet on factoring. Factor trinomial ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have 4 questions here. I'd like you to copy them and answer. I'll solve 2 for you. A. 4x squared plus 6x plus 2 and B is 9x squared plus 3x minus 6. C. 9x cubed minus 9x squared plus 2x. D. 5t squared minus 5t minus 100. Okay. Now here is solution of 2 of them. So let's do this one. 4x squared plus 6x plus 2. So when you are solving these kinds of problems, you are basically looking for 2 numbers. Let's say the 2 numbers are p and q, whose product is 4 times 2, 8. And the sum of these 2 numbers should be 6. So the product of coefficients of a and c and sum should be equal to b, right? The coefficient of x. Now, which 2 numbers can give you 8 when multiplied? And this sum should be 6. So the 2 numbers are 4 times 2, right? Always try with the product because there are limited number of factors, correct? If you try with sum, then it's going to take a lot more time because, hundreds of combinations can be made to get 6, right? So, and 4 plus 2, 6. Now, both need to be positive because the product is positive and the sum is also positive, right? So if product is positive, both have same sign. And when you add, if you're getting positive, that sign is positive. That is how we think about it. So we got 4 and 2 as our numbers. So now we can write this expression as 4x squared plus. So we'll basically write 6 as combination of 4 and 2, right? So we get here as 4x plus 2x plus 2. And now we have 4 terms. And whenever you have 4 terms, you can always group them in 2's and then factor. So from the first 2 terms, I can take 4x common. That gives me x plus 1. And I can take 2 common from the other 2 terms, which gives me x plus 1. So now I can factor out x plus 1, leaving behind 4x plus 2. So that becomes your answer. But remember, here still we have a common factor of 2. So don't stop there. Take that 2 common. So we get, and better write it in front. So we get 2 here, x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Now, we could have done it in a different way also. That is, we could have taken 2 common right in the beginning, correct? So let me show you that. So what we could have done here is, if you take 2 common, then you get 2 times 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, right? Now, so that simplifies it further. So if there are something common, which we have in all 4 of them here, then you should factor that out first. Then it becomes simpler. Now again we are looking for product and sum, and the product should be 1 times 2, which is 2, and sum should be 3. For 2, there is only one combination, 2 and 1, and they add to 3. So this can be factored. There are times when the trinomial cannot be factored, okay? So sometimes we write if possible. Okay, so here we are. So we'll split 3x as 2x plus 1. So we get 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1, right? And now we'll take and factor as we did here. So we'll get here, now from 2x squared plus 2x, 2x is common, right? So we have 2x. Let me make square brackets here. That helps, because there are 2 types of brackets. It's better to use different types of brackets. 2x, so we'll take 2x common here. We're left with x plus 1. And in this case, we have 1 common, right? So x plus 1, correct? And now we can factor out x plus 1 and get our answer like this, right? 2 times x plus 1 will give me 2x plus 1. Perfect. So that is how you could do it. So it's important to factor out first if you can see it beforehand, right? For example, here, right? here this expression I could write as 5, and then I can write this as t square minus t minus 20, and then factor this. Okay, so that becomes much simpler. I hope you learned from that. Share with your friends and let me know if there's difficulty. Thank you.